Course, Rain, happy birthday from me and Bang Bang.
Hi Rain, happy birthday from me and Kako.
Miss na namin yung bonding natin sa Makiling. Sana makapunta ulit kami dyan. And then, shot tayo ulit.
Chat po no soon, Rain.
Wish you all the best. Bye-bye.
Hello, kumparing Rain. Parsi Rain. Naaalala mo pa ba ako? Nako, eto ka na nga. Balita ko ay nagdiriwang ka ng iyong kaarawan ngayong araw. Kaya naman, happy birthday. Nako, kung alam mo lang, miss na miss ko na ang pabidyoke ni Mayor at mga pa-Red Horse dyan sa inyo. Hiling ko na sana'y lagi kang nasa mabuting kalagayan at alagaan mo lagi ang iyong sarili. Miss na kita at sana magkita-kita tayo ulit ni Nanay, ni Wendy, dyan sa inyo. No? Or maybe kayo ang bumisita dito in the near future. Diba? Miss na miss ko na kayo, kaya naman, again, happy birthday and God bless. Ingat kayo lagi. Mwah!
Hayam yam uledet, hayam yam uledet, hayam yam uledet, Rain.
מזל טוב עד 120.
Happy birthday, parang Rain.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Rain.
Hi, Doc Rain. We heard that you will be celebrating your birthday soon. Kiko! So we wanted to greet you a happy birthday. Wishing you all the best. And hopefully, makita ka na namin ulit soon. So you can meet Kiko. Punta kayo dito sa San Juan. Alright. Kiko, say something. Say happy birthday po. Happy birthday po, Doc Rain. Next time, punta kami dyan. Makikikain. Alright. Say something, boy. Happy birthday, Rain. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your day. Love, Kiko.
Happy
birthday, Kuya Rain.
We hope to see you guys again soon and stay healthy and stay safe.
We miss you.
Have a great one. Bye. Love you.
Red Horse.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mylene. I wish you all the happiness in life at sana maging safe ka lagi, palagi kang mag-iingat, syempre tatawag kay Lord, hihingi ng gabay, at sana marami ka pang birthday na
Hi, happy birthday. Ano sabihin ko, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year na lang ha. Happy birthday ulit. Hi, happy birthday. Miss ka na nila, baby, at ciao Putin. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Manong Rain! Tagay!
Happy birthday.
Bessie, birthday mo na pala. Happy birthday. Wish ko sana healthy ka lagi, tsaka happy ka. Basta lagi mo tandaan na kahit hindi tayo masyado nagchat-chat or nagkikita, andito lang ako. At namimiss na kita, kailan ko luluwas. Luwas-luwas din, oy. Sana mag-banding tayo ulit. Namimiss ko na yung inuman natin, yung nagka-sound trip lang tayo, masaya na tayo. So, yun. Happy birthday ulit. Sana happy ka. Yun lang.
Happy birthday, Mylene. May have many more birthdays to come. And may God bless you always. Thank you for always helping me in our in the documents of processing of our homeowners associations. And may God bless you and your family abundantly. Good health, happiness always. Yan. And may you have many, many more birthdays to come until you reach the age of 100.
Yay!
So that you will be able to collect from Calamba City 100,000.
Hi, Rain. Malapit na birthday mo. Advance happy birthday. Tagay na.
So, ayun na nga. Happy birthday po, Kuya Mai. At, di ba ate, pamilya pa rin, di ba? Pamilya pa rin. May pera man tayo o wala, pamilya pa rin dapat ate. Pero syempre, dahil araw mo ngayon, moment mo ngayon, birthday mo po ngayon, wala pong stress yung sasabihin ko. So, greetings lang po ito. Happy birthday po, Kuya Mai. Wishing you more birthdays, blessings, good health, and power to come po. And mag-iingat ka po palagi. Makikita pa po tayo. Dadayuhin ka pa po namin dyan sa Laguna, di ba po? Tapos, itutur mo pa po ako, tutur nyo pa po kami ni Ate Wendy doon sa Laguna, kay Rizal, di ba? Sabi mo sa akin. Ngayon, yan, enjoy nyo na lang po yung araw nyo ngayon. Mag-celebrate ka po ng birthday mo hanggang sa malasing ka, Kuya Mai. Ngayon, yan, lagi ka po mag-iingat. Naka-ID pa ako. Nandito pa kasi ako sa school, ate. So, yun na. Bye-bye po.
Hello, Kuya Mai. Wishing you a very happy birthday. May God bless you with good health and long life. Again, happy birthday. God bless. See you soon.
Thank you, Tito Mai. My Nonong Rain, happy birthday. I hope you have a great time on your special day. Bye, love you.
Happy birthday, Rain. Happy birthday, Maylin. I love you.
Happy birthday, Tito Mai. Enjoy your day. Happy lang lagi, no stress, di ba? Family, di ba? So, have fun and more birthdays to come. I love you. See you soon here in Taiwan. Thanks. See you. Bye.